In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your name in Canva. If you need to update the name shown on your Canva profile, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Canva on your device and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Canva is open, look for your profile area. This is usually easy to find and gives you access to your personal account settings. Next, tap your profile. This will open a menu where you can manage different parts of your account. From that menu, select your profile. This section contains the personal information connected to your Canva account, so this is where you'll go whenever you want to review or update profile details. After your profile opens, look for the name section. Right next to it, you should see an edit option. Click Edit to begin changing your name. This allows you to update how your name appears on your profile inside Canva. Once you're in edit mode, carefully enter the name you want to use. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before you continue, especially if this profile is used for work, collaboration, or sharing designs with other people. Keeping your profile name accurate can make it easier for teammates, clients, or collaborators to recognize your account. After making your change, make sure the update is applied according to what appears on your screen. In most cases, Canva will guide you through the final part of the update from there. Just follow the on-screen prompts if needed. And that's it. By opening Canva, tapping your profile, selecting your profile, and clicking Edit next to the name section, you can quickly update your profile name whenever necessary. If you're following along on a mobile device or desktop, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. Just focus on finding your profile, opening the profile page, and locating the Edit option beside your name. This is a quick setting to know, especially if you recently changed your preferred display name or want your Canva account to look more professional and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your name in Canva easily.